Welcome back everyone to another exciting episode of Continuous Improvement. I'm your host, Victor, and today we'll be diving into the world of continuous integration and continuous delivery, also known as C/CD. Specifically, we'll be comparing two of the most popular C/CD tools, Jenkins and AWS CodePipeline. To start off, let's take a closer look at Jenkins. Jenkins is an open-source C/CD tool that has been around for quite some time, offering flexibility and extensibility as its key features. With over 1,800 plugins available, Jenkins allows you to customize and enhance your C/CD pipeline according to your needs. One notable advantage of Jenkins is its ability to be deployed either on-premises or in the cloud, making it accessible to a wide range of users and platforms. On the other hand, we have AWS CodePipeline, a fully managed C/CD service provided by Amazon Web Services. CodePipeline is designed to be user-friendly and scalable, aligning perfectly with other AWS services like Code Build, Code Deploy, and Elastic Container Service, ECS. For those seeking an effortless experience, AWS CodePipeline offers an integrated solution for managing their C/CD processes. Now, let's delve into the comparison between Jenkins and AWS CodePipeline. When it comes to deployment options, Jenkins provides the freedom to choose between on-premises and cloud-based installations. In contrast, AWS CodePipeline takes a fully managed approach, allowing you to focus solely on your development tasks and leaving the infrastructure management to AWS. Moving on to pricing, Jenkins is an open-source tool and free to use. On the other hand, AWS CodePipeline follows a pay-as-you-go model, offering cost flexibility based on your usage. So, if you're on a tight budget, Jenkins might be the better fit for you, while AWS CodePipeline provides a more scalable and elastic cost structure. Flexibility and extensibility are two significant aspects to consider. Jenkins stands out here with its vast library of plugins, giving you the ability to integrate with various third-party tools and services. AWS CodePipeline, while not as flexible as Jenkins, still offers an impressive range of features and integrations within the AWS ecosystem. In terms of ease of use, Jenkins can be more complex to set up and configure, especially for first-time users. On the other hand, AWS CodePipeline aims to present a simpler user interface, making it more accessible to users with limited C/CD experience. Integration capabilities are crucial when choosing a C/CD tool. Jenkins has an extensive list of integrations, allowing you to connect with almost any tool or service you require. AWS CodePipeline, specifically designed for the AWS ecosystem, seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, simplifying your deployment process. So, which one is right for you? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and requirements. If you seek flexibility, control, and have a larger team with more C/CD experience, Jenkins may be the ideal choice. However, if you prefer a fully managed service that is easy to use and integrates effortlessly with your existing AWS infrastructure, AWS CodePipeline could be the perfect fit. Before we conclude, let's consider a few additional factors. For teams with limited C/CD experience and a smaller size, AWS CodePipeline's user-friendly approach might be more suitable. Conversely, larger teams with more experience may find Jenkins' flexibility and customization options more appealing. Additionally, take into account your existing infrastructure. If you already have significant on-premises infrastructure, Jenkins can be seamlessly incorporated. On the other hand, if you're already operating within the AWS ecosystem, AWS CodePipeline's native integration with other AWS services becomes a valuable advantage. Finally, let's address the budget. Jenkins, being open source, provides a cost-effective solution since there are no licensing fees. However, AWS CodePipeline operates on a pay-as-you-go model, which is worth considering if you're willing to invest in a fully managed C/CD service. In conclusion, both Jenkins and AWS CodePipeline are powerful C/CD tools, each with its own strengths. The right choice for you boils down to your specific requirements. I encourage you to carefully consider the factors we've discussed and select the tool that aligns with your team size, expertise, existing infrastructure, and financial situation. That wraps up today's episode of Continuous Improvement. I hope this comparison between Jenkins and AWS CodePipeline has shed some light on these popular C/CD tools. Stay tuned for more episodes where we'll explore various topics related to continuous improvement in software development. As always, I'm Victor, your host, signing off. Remember, continuous improvement is the foundation of success.